For anyone living off the grid, water is a critical resource. Today, we're looking at an off-grid farm that recently upgraded its water system using solar power. Originally, this farm had a basic setup with 2 solar panels and a piston pump, but as the farm grew, so did its water needs. This led to a significant upgrade. 3 additional solar panels were added, along with a more powerful pump. Now, the farm not only supports multiple homes, but also irrigates gardens and sustains livestock. With this new setup, the farm is more self-reliant and better prepared for any emergency. But what makes this system so efficient? The solar power ensures that the water supply is sustainable and doesn't depend on external power sources. This is crucial, especially in survival situations where grid power might be unavailable. Additionally, the upgraded pump can move a larger volume of water, which means that even during droughts, the farm will have enough water to meet its needs. Plus, with the backup systems in place, the farm ensures that it always has access to water, no matter what challenges arise. This example demonstrates how investing in a robust off-grid water system can provide security and peace of mind. For survivalists and preppers, such a system isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. Whether you're homesteading or simply preparing for the unexpected, ensuring that your water supply is reliable and sustainable should be a top priority. This farm's journey shows that with the right technology and planning, you can secure your most vital resource.